I mean, I find with this app, it was probably marketing alone was about 50%,
Hmm.
or maybe one third of the time that I put into this project.
Right.
So marketing is huge, you know. And if I didn't hadn't done the marketing and everything, my like I was lucky enough to have marketing, I think, built and designed into the app. It's an app where you constantly share your weather with other people, and so it's constantly self marketing itself. Whereas really with this app, you know, the marketing comes from there's word of mouth, but the large majority of it comes from press that it's received.
Hmm. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. And I
and
see.
that's not something that you can do, you know, forever. It's really you kind of just get your press hits and you try to write it while you can, but
Yeah. Eventually, you reach that "What have you done for me lately?" sort of thing. So, so I mean, maybe I dropped off slightly there, but what have you done to market the app besides, like you said, press coverage and things like that? Have you done anything on Facebook, or have you done anything try to SEO your site, all those types of things that people do?
uh, yeah, I mean, I have a Facebook page. I have all the kind of the normal things, you know, the video and the website and all that stuff. But by far, if you look at the sales, the biggest sales have come from press.
Okay.
So that was the biggest thing I did was just trying to, you know, email reporters that I thought might have an interest in the app and get them interested in the app and hopefully get them to write about it.